IAS Academy. So as part of Indian physiography, in this video we are going to look at Indian islands. So generally, if you take Indian islands, we know that the most popular ones are the Andaman Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal to the eastern side, and then you have the Lakshadweep and Minicoy Islands that's located in the Arabian Sea, that's in the western side. So first we look at the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So this archipelago. So archipelago means it's a group of islands segregated, and it extends from 6 degree 45 north to 30 degree 45 north, and from 92 degree 10 east to 94 degree 15 east, and it covers around 590 kilometers. That number is not important, but it will be like you have to remember this latitude and longitude. So it is going to represent the surface of submerged falls, that is extension of Himalaya. So this islands is actually extension of the Himalayan mountains which has been submerged. So after the collision of Indo-Australian plate with the Eurasian plate, so the fault mountains that have occurred as Himalayas, and as an extension of that, you can see these islands, the top part of those faults coming out of the sea. So that is actually the Andaman Nicobar Islands, and it is also known as extension of Arakan Yoma, because Arakan Yoma fault mountains, they call it as Arakan Yoma in Myanmar. So Andaman Nicobar Islands can be broadly divided into three main islands: north, middle, and south. You can see here, this is north, that is North Andaman. Then you have South Andaman, and then you have Nicobar Islands over here. So Port Blair is the capital, and it's located in South Andaman. And among Nicobar, Great Nicobar is the largest island, and also it's formed of granite rocks. Most of these islands are made of tertiary sandstone, limestone, and shale. And also the Saddle Peak is the north, in the north. It is located in North Andaman. It is the highest peak. All right. And the Barren and Narkondam Island. It is the only island, only volcanic. It's the only active volcano that's located in India. All right. The Barren and Narkondam Islands. It is to the north of Port Blair. And then you have Deccan Passage. We look at the different passage, like the 10-degree channel. This is separating the Nicobar Islands from the Andaman Islands. And then you have the Deccan Passage, which is separating the Little Andaman from South Andaman. So Little Andaman, South Andaman is separated by the Deccan Passage, and Little Andaman, or you can say the whole of Andaman Islands, is separated from the whole of Nicobar Islands by the 10-degree channel. And the climate here is equatorial climate with tropical rainforest. Alright. So next will be Lakshadweep Islands. So it is a union of coral islands. So coral islands are basically islands which are formed of organic matter that's related to the skeletons of corals and the animals and plants that are associated with it. And it is located in the Arabian Sea off the coast of Kerala. And it extends between 8 degree north and 12 degree north latitude. And it comprises of large number of dead corals. Fringing barrier islands and atolls and coral reefs are all part of this group of islands. And basically you can divide it into Amandevi Island, Lakshadweep Island, Minicoy Island. You can see here Amandevi Islands, then you have Lakshadweep Islands in the between, and in the south you have Minicoy Island. And Amandevi Islands are the northernmost, while Minicoy is the southernmost, and all are atolls and are surrounded by fringing reefs. And the largest and the most advanced is the Minicoy Island, with an area of only 4.5 kilometers, right? And most of the islands have low elevation. Now this is a problem. It is only up to 5 meters elevated from the sea level. So as a result, if the sea level is going to rise, it is going to have a very adverse effect on people who are living here, people and wildlife who are surviving here. And the topography is flat, and relief features such as hills, streams, valleys, etc. are not found here. Alright. And the Kavaratti is the administrative capital of Lakshadweep. And the Minicoy Islands located to the south of the 9-degree channel. We look at the different channels. Like, see, Lakshadweep is located here. Okay, Amandevi Islands, you can see it is separated from Minicoy Islands by the 9-degree channel. Okay, and both the whole of Lakshadweep Island, that is the the Minicoy is separated from the Maldives, the nation Maldives, by the 8-degree channel. Okay, So Minicoy Island, located to the south of the 9-degree channel, is the largest island. And 8-degree channel separates islands of Minicoy and Maldives, and 9-degree channel separates the island of Minicoy from the main Lakshadweep archipelago. You can see it here. And just remember once again, the North Andaman is separated. The South Andaman is separated from the Little Andaman by Duncan Pass. I'm talking about the Andaman Nicobar Islands, and Little Andaman is separated from Nicobar by the 10-degree channel. And here you can find the Indira Point, the southernmost point. Alright. Now we'll look at some other important islands other than this Andaman Nicobar and the Lakshadweep Islands. So New Moray Island. So it is a small uninhabited offshore. There is nobody staying there. It is people are not staying there. There are no permanent settlement. So sandbar landform and in the Bay of Bengal. So it emerged after a cyclone. So it is off the coast of Ganges, Ganga and Brahmaputra Delta. It emerged in the Bay of Bengal in the aftermath of Bola cyclone. After Bola cyclone of 1970, it emerged, and it keeps emerging and disappearing. And both India and Bangladesh have claimed sovereignty over this island, thinking that there is energy deposit over there. The island was uninhabited and there were no permanent settlements. And both India and Bangladesh claimed sovereignty over it because speculation over the existence of oil and natural gas in the region. And the other important islands in India are Sriharikota Island. As we know, it's a very famous satellite launching station. It is located between Pulicat Lake and Bay of Bengal in the state of Andhra Pradesh. And then you have Abdul Kalam Island. Previously it was known as the Wheeler Island. Now it is Abdul Kalam Island. It is a very famous missile testing area, and it is located off the coast of Odisha. And the island was earlier named after an English commander, Lieutenant Wheeler. Now it is named after Abdul Kalam. Now Paman Island, also known as the Rameshwaram Island, is located between India and Sri Lanka in the Gulf of Mannar. And then you have Diu Island. It is located off south coast of Kathiawar. Diu Island is famous for historical Diu Fort. And then you have Sagar Island, located in the Ganga Delta. It's very huge. It's a large island. It's also an important place of Hindu pilgrimage. Then you have Salaseta. It's a group of 7 islands. It's called Mumbai now. And Wellington Naval Station. It's located off the coast of Kerala. Then you have also Majuli Island. It's a riverine island. Okay, it's located inside a river in India, in the state of Assam. This is the largest river island in the Brahmaputra River, and it's the world's largest river island. And then you have Fundis or Floating Island. It's located in Manipur, and also the national park Kebul Lamjao. This is a part of the national park Kebul Lamjao, and is famous for elk, deer or Sangai deer. Okay, this is a very important topic in environment also. And then you have Halliday Island. It is located in the state of West Bengal and is part of Sundarban region. It is located in the river Malta, and it is also designated as a wildlife sanctuary. So these are the islands in India, the most important islands in India. For more such videos, do subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also follow us on our social media platforms, and in Telegram you can join our channel where you will be getting all the required UPSC updates. You can also visit our website to get to understand what kind of course, what kind of strategy that we are putting forward to crack the UPSC Civil Services exam. So thanks for watching this video.